Mintdahlia Toys. Hello guys, welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Mint and I am back. I miss you all so much. This past month has been really difficult for me, but I am trying my best to keep uploading. I have a couple of videos ready to go. More miniatures, unboxings, tutorials are coming soon. You don't want to miss all the fun. I love you all so much. Thank you for the support. In the meantime, we are going to have another miniature room, this time for the beautiful Splatters. She is my favorite from the hairgoals series. Follow me and time to start with the tutorial. Let's go! The miniature dollhouse we are going to use today is from an online store called, this is the page, Robotime. I have bought a couple of these houses online and so far they have easier instructions to follow. If you like to collect these type of houses, then I really recommend this store. I feel the price is similar to every other store out there. Let me know if you have your favorite website for this type of miniatures. Now I will show you what it comes with. This is the bedroom we are doing today, Alice's dreamy bedroom. We are going to change all the colors to adapt the house for the beautiful LOL doll splatters. This is the manual. The instructions come in English. Time to start with the design. Whee! Well guys, this is a final result. I really hope you like it. I love how it turned out, and I'm going to be doing more miniature doll houses in the future, but we are going to do everything from scratch. I know you really like that. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss one of those videos. I love you a lot. Thank you for subscribing, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.